What's up YouTube, it's your boy BaloTrader here. Welcome all of you to a new educational video, and in this one I want to proceed with testing of a new approach but with some updates. Let me know in the comments your opinion of the new format. Today we also proceed with the tips for the traders that I've started telling you about in the previous video. I will link a link in the description for that video in case you've missed it. But before tips, we will start with the technical analysis. And our first pair for today will be British pound to Australian dollar. We are going to use our main weapon, that is resistance and support lines. We will invest in the price decrease after the reversal from the resistance line. So let's switch to the broker and make our investment. We will invest 500 with 3-minute expiration time for price decrease, as I said previously. Let's get back to the trading view and make a deeper analysis. We had here a bearish trend that was developing not so intense, but sellers throw a big amount of volume and break the support level. Then buyers take their lead and start to restore the positions. The price growth reached the resistance level that was broken and the reversal begins, also by the help of the sellers' volumes. So we are investing in the continuation of the price fall and reversal. So let's get back to the broker to keep an eye on the market. So back to the business. In the last video we covered 3 out of 5 tips. That was avoid overemphasis of the short term, take small risks and trade with the trend. And today we will cover the rest 2 of them. Run winners and cut losses and avoid analysis paralysis. But before we jump to the tips, I want to ask you to subscribe to my channel if you are still not. I am doing really valuable and fire educational content, so you better not miss it. With the help of my videos and some other things that I will tell you in a while, you will be able to start earning extra 1,000 a week. But as I said, videos on YouTube are not my only source. I'm also running an open Telegram channel with my personal educational articles, but the articles are not the only thing that you could find in the open channel. There are some useful literature, educational posts and videos as well. In addition, I also conducting trading sessions with participants of the open Telegram channel. You will find a link to this channel in the description or in the pinned comment. And do not forget that all the tips or tricks that I or other traders tell you about won't work without your own test of them. When I was beginning my trader journey, I used to read or view or hear lots of different tips, and only some of them bring value to me. That doesn't mean that they were bad, no, definitely not. It just means that didn't suit to my strategy and approach, and the only way to check the tip or strategy or whatever is to try it by yourself. So do not be afraid of making mistakes, because it is the main part of your journey and education. And the biggest tip that I can give you is to try again and again and to not give up. I think we will jump to the main tips after analysis of the second deal, because it is not enough time for it. And as you could see, our first deal is about to close and bring us our first win for today. Our second pair is Australian dollar to Swiss franc, and again, lines. We will invest in the price increase and level break. Let's switch to the broker and make our investment for 500 and 3-minute expiration for the price increase. And again, back to the trading view for the detailed analysis. As you could see, we had a flat trend that was broken by the buyers with the help of a huge amount of volumes. And the price starts to grow to its reversal and a new charge from the sellers. The price was dropping to the support level, then it breaks and then starts the rollbacks with the price increase. So we are investing in the continuation of this rollback that is assisted with the buyer's volumes. Let's get back to the broker to check the market dynamic. Back to our main tips, and the first one is run winners and cut losses. New investors can make profitable trades more than half of the time, but when they do make losses, they tend to be larger than the gains. It is essential to consider the potential reward of the trading positions against the risks if it does not turn out as expected, to avoid placing losing trades. It can be tempting to hold on to losing positions in the hope that they recover eventually. But for example, a loss of 25% will require a gain of 33% just to break even. Instead, one of the most powerful trading lessons you can learn is when to cut your losses. The best trading strategy involves selecting an entry point and setting a stop loss at a level that offers a higher risk-reward ratio. Using technical chart analysis gives traders indicators as to the market's direction that make it easier to identify a profitable entry and exit position. But stop losses is more for the long-term trades. Our main instrument is risk management. I already told about it in one of my previous videos. I will leave a link in the description. And our second deal closed as a plus. And our last pair for today is Canadian dollar to Swiss franc. We will invest in the price increase after the reversal. So let's get back to the broker to make our investment. We will use $500 with 3-minute expiration for the price increase. Let's get back to the trading view for the bigger picture. The price was moving in a flat trend, then the huge amount of volumes from sellers broke the level. Afterward, buyers start to recover old position by throwing their volumes. So we will step in the deal as a continuation of this recovery. Let's get back to the broker so we won't lose any unexpected market changes. And my last tip for today, avoid analysis paralysis. Trading platforms and apps increasingly offer a range of sophisticated analytical tools. Investors can use a range of technical indicators including moving averages, Bollinger Bands, moving average, convergence divergence, and relative strength index to help make trading decisions. But while technical analysis is valuable, a crowded chart can be overwhelming for new investors, with some indicators giving buy signals while others simultaneously showing sell signals. That can make it easier to overthink and harder to see what the market is actually doing. Instead, start off with a clean chart to focus on the price action and identify the trend in the market. Then add 1 or 2 indicators to keep it simple. If you're looking for more knowledge, tips, trading sessions, and mentoring, I invite you to join my trading team. By becoming my partner, you will get more trading sessions, exclusive educational materials, and the main of the privileges of partners is mentoring, where I will help you with the analysis of your deals and will lead you on all path of becoming an independent trader, and will teach you how to increase your success rate and reach a solid plus. Do you want to become a member of my team? Then write me the phrase "I want some honey" in my personal Telegram to receive an invitation to the team. You can find the link to contact me in the description under the video or in the pinned comment. So let's summarize everything that I said in the past 2 videos. It is important to take a step back from short-term volatility to focus on the bigger picture. Manage risk by starting with small positions. Trade with trends rather than trying to hit the absolute top or bottom. Set risk borders and avoid informational overload. I guess this is all with the tips. And do not forget to try everything by your own to understand which of them suits for you the most. And at the same time, our last deal brings us the plus as well. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like and drop some comments. See you in the next videos. Have a good one. Bye.